and I fit like all of my essential makeup in here. What's up guys, it is Monday. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. I'm starting off my Monday with some pretty intense organization because for some time now our fridge has been very overwhelmed with in a good way with food, thank God, but it's just very disorganized and like there's no organization system. Everything's kind of just thrown in there and it just stresses me out a little. It's something that I've been wanting to tackle for a while. So I went to Home Goods and I picked up a ton of organizational bins and like just a ton of things that help store produce, and it like helps prolong your produce as well, and just like organization stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I don't think that I can link a lot of this because it is from Home Goods, but I will link a TikTok that I saw of a fridge organization that inspired this. And the TikTok has everything linked if you're interested in like organizing the fridge. So Eric's prepping dinner, so if you hear a bunch of cutting, that's what that is. So I got this storage bin, which I'm thinking of putting all of my greens in here, like lettuce, kale, arugula, all that good stuff. And then I got these, which I'm thinking of putting my fruits and veggies in. They're colander, is that how you say it? Colander. They have these little like baskets inside of them that help your produce breathe. So I got 3 of these, and then I got these stackable bins that I'm thinking about putting like the peppers, like small peppers and cilantro in there. And then I got these bins, and I think I'm gonna put peppers in here and also tomatoes and like veggies. And then this is another huge produce bin basket. I'm gonna put my spinach in here. So this is the messiness that we are dealing with. And yeah, just a lot of disorganization, a lot of just stuff tossed in. So I'm gonna go ahead and start organizing this shelf by shelf, and hopefully it looks a lot better afterwards. Is definitely progress. I didn't get to store anything here and below. I did get to store the kale on this one, but I need another one of these bins for my arugula and the spinach. We have another bag of spinach, and I want to find some containers for these 3 things, but the rest was able to fit, and it feels so much more organized. I have my fruit back there, veggies, some other produce, and I'm not going to switch out the milks. I know that there's like jugs that you can switch it out, but I like to keep them in its original packaging just so I can see the expiration date, even though I could probably write it on the glass ones. But yeah, so this is the progress. I still have to tackle that down here, but everything here and up looks so much better. It's a game changer. My friend Ashley put me on and she gave me this, and it is so good. It's their brown sugar flavor. It's from Trader Joe's. It's an oat creamer, non-dairy. It's really yummy, like so yummy. It really makes a big difference in my coffee, and I'm loving it. This is probably not my most fashionable outfit, but I have so much to do today. Like, I'm very behind on a lot of things. So when I am really busy, I like to wear oversized shorts with an oversized top because I'm the most comfiest. I'm the most free, and I'm not preoccupied with being uncomfortable or something being too tight. This is like literally my safety blanket when I'm feeling like overwhelmed and a little bit anxious about what I have to do. So this is my outfit for today. Oversized tee. Also have my yummy coffee. Oh, I have my AirPods on, I forgot. This is so easy and so like super quick. The same.
Pretty good?
So good. In the process of redoing my office space, I have a few new items that I put in this week. First is this mirror that I got from Kirkland's. It's sort of like a dupe for the Anthropologie mirror, but it's a lot cheaper. I only paid $340 for it, or $360 because it was on sale. It is a lot shorter than I expected, but it's nice and wide, and I just love the bronze and the antique look. The other one that I had, I sold on Facebook Market. So this is a new mirror. And then yesterday I built this new vanity desk, and it's from Target. I love this rattan detail right here, and I fit like all of my essential makeup in here. So I replaced the black little desk that I had here, and then I got this like irregular shape mirror from Zara Home. It has like very unique curves on it. You can't really see it when it's not fully up, but I got this mirror from there, and I'm gonna hang this up later when Eric gets home. But slowly but surely we're making some changes. I also got a new desk from Zara that I'm going to be putting over in this section, and then gonna spray paint the clothing rack black. I think I'm going to keep this here, and then over here I got some wall molding to make it a little bit more like give it a little bit more character. And then I got the CB2 boucle bench that I'm going to put right here, and then I found this really cool lamp from Wayfair that I'm going to purchase. And yeah, we're revamping this space just because I feel like I needed it, and I never fully like visioned for this room. I just threw things in here that I thought would look nice, but finally having a vision helps a lot because it makes you like I feel like it's going to be more of a complete space. So I'm going to get my hair done, and I'm wearing a really comfy outfit. I wanted to create the illusion of a bodysuit, but I don't have a bodysuit, and I really wanted to get the one from Old Navy, but I can't find it anywhere. So what I did was I just put on a tank top, and then I put on my favorite like yoga leggings, and I just put like a sweater in the middle, so you can't really tell that it's two separate things. I think I achieved the illusion, in my opinion. I think I did. But I just wanted to be really cozy. I'm gonna be getting my hair toned because it is it's getting there. It's getting very brassy, so I want to get it toned, especially because next weekend we're going to the beach. We're gonna be like in a ton of sun, so I know that that's gonna mess my hair too, so I want to just kind of tone it down. But yeah, this is my outfit.